Okay, so there we go. All right. Number 4 says, if an electron's position can be measured to an accuracy of 2 times 10 to the minus 8 meters, and by that I think that they mean 2 times 10 to the minus 8. I think what they mean by that is that we know the accuracy.
Should it be 0.05 to the 8, the negative 8?
No, I think they mean that, like, we know here's the position, right? There's the meters, and that we're within 2 times 10 to the minus 8 meters of it is what I think, right? So that it really is that the uncertainty is 4. That was what we put in there, right? So remember what it is, the plus or minus. If that's plus or minus this thing, right? Then the uncertainty, the delta x we put in there is 4 times 10 to the minus 8, right? And then you go 4 times 10 to the minus 8 times the uncertainty of momentum, right? Because this is x, this is momentum, right? And then this is h over 4 pi, which is, by the way, just h bar over 2 because h bar is h over 2 pi, okay? And then I have a calculator somewhere. Do I? Somewhere I do. Is that a calculator? So I'm going to go 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34 divided by 4 divided by pi divided by 4 times 10 to the 8th. Now I think we're in deep trouble, right? Okay. Oh, 10 to the minus 8th. Whoops. I'm getting 1.318 times 10 to the minus 27th, right? And that's kilogram meters per second. And then that's going to equal mass times delta V, right? And then the mass, what are we talking about, an electron? Right, so the mass of an electron is, let's divide by 9.11. And I get like a quarter of the right answers. That didn't help at all. Yeah.
I thought it was dividing by 4. That's really lazy.
Yeah. Well, here's the deal. In the textbook, they give the wrong formula. Because I actually checked this at PSU, right? They give you the wrong formula in the textbook because they give you that it's h over 2 pi, correct? Right? But it's really, yeah, I need to, right? And I checked it. We even looked it up on Wikipedia, which is, of course, the world-renowned site. But even so, it seems like we get like half this answer. So I'll have to look this answer up for that. I think the other ones we got the answers that they got, didn't we?
I didn't get like any of the right answers.
Didn't get any of them. But this one you didn't, right?
Yeah, they're like.
Does this one work? Is this Casey's? Let's look at this one. Let's look at number 5 and just see what. I know. And the way you do that is you just say, and multiplying by 2 gives, right?
What are we supposed to do on like it?
Okay, so an electron remains in an excited state. What is the minimum uncertainty of the energy? Okay, so there's the seconds, 10 to the minus 8 seconds. So we're always going to be off by a factor of 2 just because I think they have the wrong formula in the book, right? So we should use our formula, stick to our guns, I believe. Well, no. Just use the formula. IB presumably will get it right.
H over 4 pi.
H over 4 pi is correct, yeah. That's what's in the data packet. So, yeah. All right. Good thing I filmed that debacle.